So today I'm just fixing what bugs me. One thing that I've noticed that bugs me a lot is whenever you open up this drawer, this little like door moves around a lot. Same with the bottom one right here. It'll just move around a lot. And inside of here, you'll notice that this moves around a lot as well. Same with this bottom one. So with these, it's actually super easy fix. We'll just grab our screwdriver and we'll just tighten it up right there. Go. Same with this bottom one. Just like that, they're a lot stiffer. And that feels more confident, like when you're actually pushing them down. For the doors, it's a little bit more tricky. They have like this little screw right there. But as long as you just push the door all the way in, and then you screw it in. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. So while I'm in here, I think I'm also going to clean these out. Pretty much just like a lot of dust right here. And then one other thing that's been bugging me is that you have these little rollers right here, and they pretty much just move the paper from these two trays into the actual like machine. But every now and then, and it's been happening more and more, but these little rollers, they just won't catch the paper as well, and they won't like move it, so we get more jams. And it's mostly just on like the thicker paper. But I'm gonna clean it up. Frank gave me this rubber rejuvenator, so I'm gonna put that on the machines and hopefully that fixes it as well. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm just going in this with this is a damp rag just to clean up all the paper dust that's in there. And this pretty much just builds up over time the more and more we use it, so it's pretty normal. So we're just gonna go in with this rejuvenating compound, and it's just gonna clean the rollers pretty much, and it'll add like a little bit of tackiness to them, so that hopefully it grabs the paper better. Alright, so I just finished, and this is pretty much the end result. So see, the door doesn't move anymore, the bottom one doesn't, these don't move as much anymore. But yeah, there's just a little bit of basic maintenance we can do on the machines. It helps them, you know, stay newer, be a little more reliable. And yeah, it's just one little thing that bugs me, and it took me like a minute to fix.